Hey guys, this is 𝐓𝐚𝐧𝐤 with another tutorial whether how you can stop videos playing automatically on LinkedIn. Well, when you use LinkedIn, videos start playing automatically without you are even trying to play them, which is annoying, especially when you are in a quiet place. So to stop them, open the LinkedIn app and when you scroll down, here you can see that videos start playing automatically. And to stop them, go to settings under your profile icon and then click on autoplay videos. Here you can see that the second option is selected. Just select the first option, which is never autoplay videos, and then go back to your home page feed. And here you can see that no video is playing automatically anymore. And this is how you can stop videos playing automatically on LinkedIn. And I hope this will be helpful for someone out there. And thanks for watching.